Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by making sure your iPhone can share data. Check your cellular plan and data balance now. Once confirmed, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so connections are smooth, and plug the phone in if battery is low. Next, open Settings, tap Personal Hotspot, and toggle it on. Note the hotspot name and password shown. These steps start the sharing process and establish the interface other devices will see, so make sure the hotspot SSID and password are readable before moving on. Now you connect devices and fine-tune settings. If you want stability, plug your iPhone into a computer via USB. For convenience, use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Set a strong hotspot password, and once done, change the network name if needed so it's easy to find. Make sure Allow Others to Join is enabled. On some carriers, you can limit maximum connected devices. Adjust that to preserve speed. These choices affect throughput and security, so pick USB for performance or Wi-Fi for multiple device access. Finish by confirming the device connected to your hotspot has internet access and a valid IP address. Open a web page or run a speed test. If it doesn't work, toggle the hotspot off and on, restart both devices, and try switching connection modes. USB, Wi-Fi, then Bluetooth. If issues persist, reset network settings or update carrier settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, test with a different cable or another phone. This isolates whether the problem is the iPhone, the client device, or the carrier.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.